Well,
Bolden through his defence.
oh, poles everywhere. Oh, knocked him over. That off-stump's gone. Bolden. Oh, he's left it. And the stump's gone. But it's not going to happen this time. Knocked him over.
Oh, gone. Gone. Bolden first ball.
Oh, he's gone. India are not.
And Ishan Bolden through the defence. And another Yorker. And it's again the stumps going for a
Well bowled. Can't get the edge. Got him. Bumrah.
Well, that's not going to happen because Shami knocked him over.
Gone. That's the.
Bolden, what a delivery. Bolden, another cartwheel.
The stumps.